Sounding the poll bugle for the assembly elections in Delhi, Narendra Modi in the capital gave a clarion call for what is being seen as a three-cornered fight between BJP, AAP and Congress. He spoke in the presence of the chief ministers of Jharkhand, Maharashtra and Haryana. Giving his view on the rally, Union Minister Prakash Javadekar said that the rally has shattered the misconception that BJP will face a challenge in Delhi. Prakash Javadekar predicted that by 2019, when India votes again in the general elections, BJP-led NDA will have 20 states under its fold. The BJP rally at Ramleela Maidan today saw the presence of Devendra Fadnavis, Manohar Lal Khattar and Raghubar Das along with BJP President Amit Shah.
Today, what Narendra Modi is now addressing the rally is of course a milestone in the BJP's history, because we will win Delhi hands down with complete and clear majority and shattering anybody's misconception, if any, that there is a challenge to the BJP in Delhi. That will go with the results. And here only I will predict that after successive win till Jammu Kashmir and now in Delhi, before we set for 2019 parliamentary elections, BJP or NDA will have 20 states in its kitty.
Prakash Javadekar, speaking at the Women Press Club, said that there should be no doubt that Modi has proved to be a vote catcher not just in 2014, but he will have the same impact in 2024.
राजनेताओं समझ लो, नई पीढ़ी की मांग ये है, आकांक्षा ये है और राजनीति भी यही है, इसी को लोग वोट देंगे, दूसरे वोट नहीं देंगे. So Modi has not booked only for 2014 or 2019, has booked for 2024 also.
Powered by NNIS.